Hi, I am Zan, an engineering student at UAT Texla. I am just deeply passionate about how AI is solving real world problems. And this is HeartCare AI, a cardiac arrest risk predictor. I just make it for Pakistan. Every year, heart disease is taking thousands of lives in Pakistan. It's becoming the number one cause of death in our country. But many people in rural areas, especially, don't have access to advanced medical tools. They need something fast, simple, and reliable. That's why I build HeartCare AI. Because I think that the important thing is people don't want complexity. They want, they just deserve simplicity, but real value. They just deserve a simple, reliable tool that gives them real value. This project focuses completely on Pakistan because it is trained on our local patient data. So the prediction reflects our population. While most people chasing buzzwords and trends, I wanted to focus on fundamentals, strong models, explainability and deployment on low resource CPUs. And I think that for this project, the simplicity with real impact is the most powerful innovation. To start, I worked with a large dataset, almost 400,000 records with 25 features. Through data analysis, I explored data, I explored distributions, outlier detections, sequences, and the other important stuff that really important to analyze for our data. And then I do feature engineering and then pre-processing, and I just retain the most important 15 features that strongly relates with cardiac arrest. Next, I built a full machine learning pipeline, pre-processing, feature selection, model training, and a Streamlit UI. Well, I trained several models like decision trees and gradient boosting, but the really great machine learning model Random Forest gives me 85% of accuracy on such a large data. Well, unlike generic tools and very complex over-engineering tools, the HeartCare AI is a very simple tool, and this simplicity is its innovation because it uses just 15 strongly correlated features that strongly predicts the cardiac arrest. And statistically it's giving us 85% of accuracy. That is very best model performance. Okay, so now we are in our application. There's a little bit screening issue and the quality of screens issue, but I don't think that it really matters because the product is really working and I am satisfied with my product. So that's why I don't too much care about this video quality, but let's try. There you can see that the different features, and I am trying them. Okay, now this is the physical activity. You can see that it's a drop down menu by which we can select I don't know, and well, this I don't know is very great thing because maybe the user don't know is he physical active or not. Yeah, it's maybe possible. And the family history and the other features, and with the headings like clinical indicators and diabetes, hypertension, do you have cholesterol level, diabetes no. Okay, we are selecting no diabetes. And here's another amazing thing, like do you know your cholesterol level? If you press yes, then there is below the cholesterol level you can enter. Or if you press I don't know in the cholesterol level, then the below bar is doesn't affect any output, and it doesn't affect model's output because I just coded itself. If you press I don't know, then it don't affect the output. Now let's predict the risk. There is a button you can see, and we pressed it. And after few seconds it give you the output. Your heart is 32% at risk of cardiac arrest, and below there is a great thing, AI prediction low risk. Yeah, so that's the output. While all the documentation is public, the model files, the notebook where I make this model, the requirement.txt, the GitHub repository, and all the other stuff is public. And anyone can test the live demo that's running on Hugging Face basis instantly. Anyone can use this app. Well, it's important to note that it's just a prototype tool, not a diagnostic device. It's just meant for screening and early awareness. HeartCare AI proves that a simple, explainable machine learning model that is running on a low resource hardware can save lives. I am Zan from UAT Texla, and I think that AI should serve everyone, not just those having advanced facilities. This is just the beginning. Together we can bring affordable, life-safe screening to every community inside the Pakistan. Thank you.